Hi crafters! The September Take and Make is a quilled apple. This kit has a 5x7 piece of paper with a very faint apple outline, at least 25 1/4-inch strips of red paper, 3 strips of green paper, and 1 strip of brown. It also includes a small wooden dowel. You will need to add regular white glue and a piece of scrap paper. Before you begin, you need to make a small pool of glue on the scrap sheet of paper. The first step in the process is to use 2 strips of red paper to outline the design. Take 1 strip and bend it around the apple outline. Then dip the edge of the strip into the glue. Try to only get the glue on the edge of the paper. Press the strip onto the apple outline and hold until it sticks. You may need to add additional glue on the outline. To finish the outline, use another strip of paper and use the dowel to curl both ends. Dip the edge in the glue and complete the outline of the apple. Have the ends curl in to the apple. Now you will add additional large swirls. Use the dowel to roll a strip of red paper and shape it to the size of the curl you'd like. When you have the size swirl that you like, find a place for it in the apple. I like to have swirls seem like they're coming off swirls. Dip it into the glue and glue it where you'd like inside the design. Continue adding large swirls until you have as many as you'd like to have. When you have as many as you'd like, you can start filling in the open areas with coiled strips of paper. There are many ways to shape these coils. In order to make the shapes, create a coil around the dowel, loosen the coil to the size you need, glue the end of the coil down, and pinch into the shape that you like. Dip the shape in the glue and put it in the design. Continue coiling and gluing until you have created a pattern you like. You do not need to completely fill the apple. I have included a sheet of common coil shapes in the kit for you to use as reference. When you have as much of the red filled in as you'd like, it's time to make the leaf. First, use one green strip and create a flat, coiled piece for the center of the leaf. Glue it down. Next, coil one of the green strips of paper and you're going to loosen up the coil until it is large enough to make a half moon the length of the leaf. Repeat the process for the other side of the leaf. You may need to glue the leaves together at the top. Finally, coil the brown strip. Loosen it just a tiny little bit. Glue the end and squish the coil into the shape of the stem. Glue it down. And now your quilled apple is ready to display. Thanks for watching.